In 1816, the world experienced the year without a summer. A volcanic eruption in Indonesia had cast a veil of ash across the globe, leading to bizarre weather patterns. In a small village in Switzerland, the rain fell silently, as if the world had pressed mute. Farmers were baffled, crops failed, and hunger loomed. Mary Shelley, vacationing nearby, found inspiration in the eerie silence. Penning Frankenstein, could a silent rain inspire such a monstrous tale? The silent rain's legacy lives on, reminding us of nature's unpredictable power. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.